Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's video we will learn about how to find out the parameter of polygons like triangle, rectangle and square. So first we will learn the meaning of the term polygons. So a polygon is a simple closed plane figure made up by three or more line segments. A polygon is always named on the basis of its sides. For example, a polygon with three sides is known as triangle. Okay. Any closed figure made up by four line segments like this, they are known as quadrilateral. So a polygon with four sides is known as quadrilateral. Similarly, a polygon with five sides is known as pentagon and so on. A polygon with six sides is known as hexagon and so on. So first we will learn the meaning of term perimeter. Perimeter means the length of the boundary of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Okay. So perimeter is the sum of the length of all sides of a closed figure. So whenever we have to find the perimeter, we will add up the length of its boundary. So let's start with triangle. It is a closed figure made up by three sides. 1, 2, 3. It is having three vertices and three angles. And the sum of these angles will always be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So the perimeter of this triangle will be the sum of its boundary. This is called the boundary here. This and this. For example, in this triangle ABC, whose dimensions are A, B and C respectively, it's given, we have to find out the perimeter. So the perimeter will be sum of its boundary. So it will be AB plus BC plus CA. So we know the length of AB. The length of AB is A plus length of BC is B centimeter and the length of CA is C centimeter. So the perimeter of triangle, the symbol we use for triangle, ABC will be A plus B plus C. Now, by using the same formula, we will find out the perimeter of this triangle PQR. So, the perimeter of this triangle PQR will be equal to PQ plus QR plus RP. And we know its dimensions also. We know that PQ is 15 centimeter. It's given. Plus QR is 14 centimeter. Plus RP is 12 centimeter. So let's add all these. 15 plus 14 plus 12. So it will be 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So the perimeter of triangle PQR will be 41 centimeter. Let's find out the perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means the triangle which is having all the sides are equal in length. For example, in this given triangle PQR, all the sides are equal in length. It's given that all the sides are of S centimeter. So let's find out its perimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle will be equal to PQ plus QR plus RP. PQ plus QR plus RP, or we can write PR Now we will write its length. It's given S centimeter. It is also S and it is also S. When we will add this, these are 3 times S. Okay, or we can write 3 times S is indicating the side here. Okay. For example, let's take one triangle. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle A, B, C, whose all the sides are given, it's 5 centimeter. Okay. So how to find out the perimeter? So the perimeter of this, to find out the perimeter of this triangle A, B, C, we will directly put the formula 3 into side, and we know that side is 5 centimeter because this is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So we will write 3 multiplied by 5 centimeter, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle ABC will be 15 centimeter. So let's find out the perimeter of rectangle. So this is a rectangle. A rectangle is a simple plain closed figure made up by 4 line segments. So here these are the 4 sides. Okay, and its property is its opposite sides will always be equal to each other. This side, this length will be equal and this breadth will be equal to each other. It is having 4 vertices, 4 angles, and all the angles are of 90 degree. Okay, so now we will find out the perimeter of rectangle. So again the perimeter of rectangle will be the sum of its boundary, sum of its all the sides. So here the sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. Let's write. So the perimeter will be AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay, these two are lengths. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. So these two sides are equal, AD and BC, and AB is equal to CD. Okay, now we will write the dimensions. AB is L plus BC is B, CD is L, and again AD is B. Now we will add this. So L is coming 2 times. First we will add these two. L plus L, 2L, and B is also coming 2 times. B plus B is 2B. So it will become 2L plus 2B. Now we will take 2 common. We will write 2 outside, and here we will left with L, and here we will left with B. So the formula for perimeter of rectangle will be 2 multiplied by L plus B, or 2 times L plus B. Now we will solve this question. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose length is 10 centimeter and breadth is given 7 centimeter. The length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter, and we have to find its perimeter. So perimeter of this rectangle will be equal to, first we will write the formula, 2 multiplied by L plus B. We know the length, it is 10 centimeter, we will write 10 here, and we know the breadth also, it is 7 centimeter. Okay. In the next step we will add these two. 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7 is, we will write 2 outside, and 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 centimeter. Okay. When there is bracket and there is no sign, this means there is a sign of multiplication. We will multiply. So we will multiply 2 by 17. So 17 2s are. What we will get? 17 2s are 34 centimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangle whose length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter, the perimeter will be 34 centimeter. So let's find out the perimeter of square. So this is a square. it is having four sides. A square is also a closed plane figure made up by four equal sides. Its all the sides are equal in length. It has four vertices, four corners and four angles. And all the angles are 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This one is also 90 degree. This one is also 90 degree. And this also. So the sum of all the four angles will always be equal to 360 degree. Okay. So for example, in this square ABCD, we have to find out the perimeter. So the perimeter will again be sum of its length. So its length are AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Let's write AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And we know that all the sides are equal in length. It's given that each side is of S centimeter. So write S for this, then plus S and plus S. Okay. So S is coming 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4 times S. Or we can write 4 multiplied by side. 4 times side. Okay. Now by using this formula, we will find out the perimeter of square whose each side is of 6 centimeter. So let's first draw the square. Suppose this is the square PQRS and each side is given, it is of 6 centimeter. This will be 6, 6, 6 and 6 and we have to find out its perimeter. So its perimeter will be 4 times side. And we know that each side is of 6 centimeter. Now in place of side we will write 6 centimeter. Now we will multiply these two. 4, 6 ja 24. So answer will be 24 centimeter. This means the perimeter of square whose all the sides are of 6 centimeter will be 24 centimeter. So let's do a quick revision. The perimeter of triangle will be equal to sum of the length of all three sides. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle, when all the three sides are equal, then the formula for perimeter will be 3 into side. Okay. The perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle will be 2 multiplied by L plus B. Here L stands for length and B stands for breadth. And next, the perimeter of square. In square, we know that all the four sides equal. So the perimeter of square will be equal to 4 into side. So friends, I hope that now you understood how to find out the perimeter of triangle, equilateral triangle, rectangle and square. So if you like this video, then please share it among your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for the notifications. So thanks for watching it. Goodbye. Take care.